Alright guys, finally got all the hard drive boards harvested off the hard drives. The logic boards, I believe is the correct name for them. So there, I don't know, on the side of the box, but we got 88 pounds. Not bad. So yeah, I mean, I pay, what I say, $8 a pound, 88. You guys do the math. I'm terrible with math in the head. So 640 bucks, something like that. Hey, I'm Josh Gilmore. I'm with Noble Earth Recovery, your one-stop destination for all things electronic recycling. As technological advancement continues to shape the world, it's become crucial to responsibly dispose of your old and unwanted electronics. Here at Noble Earth Recovery, we are promoting sustainable practices and preserving the environment by offering you efficient and convenient e-waste recycling solutions. Join us in our YouTube channel as we dive into the fascinating world of electronic recycling, sharing informative videos, DIY projects, and tips on minimizing carbon footprint. Together, let's make a positive impact on our planet and create a greener future. Subscribe now and join the noble cause of Earth recovery. Thank you guys, and have a great day. What you see here today is we're harvesting our hard drive boards off the hard drives. My e-scrap buyers do buy hard drives with boards, or you know, like me, I like to buy them without the boards, and I'll sell them to them without the boards and make a little more money off of them. I can currently pay 60 cents a pound hard drive with boards. Without boards, have checked, with 30 cents a pound. But here we are, we're harvesting the boards off of the hard drives here today. Yeah, we'll stack them up here. We'll start popping all the screws off. There's typically 3 different styles of screws. We'll go through all of them, one drill bit first, and then we'll switch over to another drill bit to do the smaller sizes and so on. But hard drive boards, I can pay $8 a pound for them. I've said it once, I'll say it again, I'm not the top buyer, but you know, I do what I can, and I'm happy that I can pay that for you guys. Just keep the circuit boards separated from like DVD drive board and stuff. It does get a little hard to separate styles of boards sometimes. Here, man, I'll show you. This is the last of the hard drives. We actually did a whole Gaylord. If anybody knows the size of a Gaylord is, but we've actually went through a whole Gaylord. This is the last little bit. We got some of these smaller ones. I don't really get a drill bit. I just pry them up with a flathead. A lot of people will break those down whole and clean that cast aluminum up, but we don't have that much time. So, handy dandy flathead and just get in there and pry those boards off versus trying to get a drill bit. I don't want to use a small drill, slow drill, because if you use a fast drill bit with impact or whatever, it strips out your screws. And so that's those. I'm gonna go and show you the bulk. Lighting's kind of terrible over here, but this Gaylord's full of hard drives with no boards. I'd say this Gaylord's going to weigh about 1,800 pounds when it's said and done. I'll make sure to do a recording of the weight of it for you guys. And this side over here, here's a... Hoping that's around 100 pounds when we're said and done. But that's all the hard drive boards that came off all those hard drive cases. I'll show you guys later whenever we start weighing the material and see what the total is on it. Alright guys, Finally got all the hard drive boards harvested off the hard drives. The logic boards, I believe, is the correct name for them. I don't know. On the side of the box, but we got 88 pounds. Not bad. So yeah, I mean, I pay, what I say, $8 a pound, 88. You guys do the math. I'm terrible with math in the head. So 640 bucks, something like that. Anyways, thank you. Stay tuned. We'll show you the total weights of the hard drives without boards. $11.61.
It does not like to read the scales. Very strong tape.
Marker up here?
It should be.